how you are thinking, how you are preparing yourself now for the next. Anything can happen to you. It can be a success and it can be a failure. Namo Himalaya, Pranam. Prayers for you and your loved ones. Today we will discuss about a very powerful question. How to start our life and how to make our life big. Both the questions, they can be achieved by a very special and very easy technique. A technique is very dynamic. It will impact you in such a way that you can transform yourself and multiply 100 times. The way how you are right now, you can transform yourself and make yourself 100 times better. So we will discuss about this technique. But before we proceed for this solution, before we talk about the answer of this question, understand, if you are not planning, then someone will plan for you. And if that someone is not favorable for your life, then anything can happen to you. It can be a success and it can be a failure. So Himalaya says, the training says, it is better to have someone who is favorable for you, plus you also think about your life. You also take responsibility of your life. So if you understand these 2 points, now we can proceed for the solution. Our life begins the time we open our eyes. What it means, your life starts the time you open your eyes from your sleep. As you wake up, your day starts, and that day is your life. Add one day and then add another day. They are making your future. And the future, what you are understanding, the combination of first day, second day, third day, this whole system is known as life. So now, instead of you thinking about 1 year, 5 year, 100 year, think about the drop, the day. The day is your life. That one day is your life. The time you wake up, you started living. This is your life. How you are preparing your day will plan and decide your life. So how you plan your day? As you wake up, before you move your body, before you take any action, you need to think favorably for your day. You need to plan your day. With that, you need to prepare your mind. So these 2 things need to be done by you before you take any action, before you move your body. That means you are on the bed only. You are on the bed and you are thinking about yourself. Now, this thought need to be understood as a seed. If you sow positive seed in your body, in your mind, the fruit will be amazing. The outcome will be amazing. Positive seed need to be sown by you. So when you are thinking, again remember, it's preparing your day. Not to think anything which you don't want. For example, you have some health issue and you don't want to suffer. So while preparing your thought, the language need to be well planned. That I am sick and I don't want to suffer. Now this is not a right approach. Instead of this, you change the language. You change the thought process. I'm healthy, I'm fine, and I am enjoying my health. I'm enjoying my body. See, the outcome is same. Whether you are saying that I'm not healthy and I want to be fine, or I'm healthy and I'm enjoying my life, the outcome is enjoyment. The outcome is you want to be happy with your body. But the trick is your words need to be favorable with the external forces, with the outside energies. In this also, two divisions need to be understood. Your plan, your thought process, that is important, very special. And second division is the impact of external forces. And both of them, they are free to be executed as per the authority of that person. So, external forces, they are not in your control. They have someone else who is controlling. But your thought process, this is important. This is in your control. You need to plan what I'm thinking, what language I'm using, what tone I'm using, my behavior, process, and then how I'm executing the thought. These all things are in your control. You need to leave external forces. Don't try to hold them. Don't think about them. For this, let's understand this system with the story. There was a village, and in this village, two boys, they were learning special techniques from a master. One day, the master told both these boys that I'm giving you a life lesson now. Both of you take flour and offer it to the faith place, the temple, monastery, and do this every day. So both the boys, every day they used to go to the temple, they used to offer flour and come back. One day, the situation was not favorable. Heavy rain. And the rain was so heavy that people, they were not able to come out from their house. Now these two boys, they are facing the same problem. So the first boy, he thought, today it's raining and it's too much. I will go tomorrow and I'll offer 2 flowers. But the second boy, he thought, the instruction is by master, and he told, this is very important. So if this is important and if this is the instruction of master, I must do it. He came out and he faced the challenge. And by doing all his efforts, he was able to reach the temple. He offered the flower. He suffered. He got heavy cold, heavy fever, lots of other problems. But he finished the task. With the time, both the boys, they went to a city. They started working, did their business. And for surprise, the second boy, he became super successful. And he grown multiple times. The first boy also, he did good. But if you compare, then in that comparison, the second boy, he was on different league. When they came back to the village, the first boy thought, both of us, we are taught by same master. We studied same subject, same technique, same learning, same lessons. How come I am on this level and my friend, he reached on sky level? Both decided to meet the master. They went to the master, and master was observing their life from the very beginning. And he observed them very carefully on that night when it was raining. And he gave the understanding to both the boys. He told them, on that night, you didn't go, but your friend went. You went. You have your own reasoning with your mind. I was not there. You created your perception, your understanding about the command. By taking action on that night, you prepared your willpower, you prepared your mind, you prepared your energies. what happened with you was very special. When life is easy, then everything is easy. Anybody can do anything. If life is easy, you will be happy. You will be smiling. You will be enjoying your life. But the challenge comes when life is tough. At that time, how you behave, how you move, that decides your next day, that decides your future. That's what happened. On that night, it was raining, heavily raining, but you took the decision to go out. Because of that, you became super powerful with your mind, with your thought process. Today, your time is good, you are growing, but you will not stop when your time is bad, and that is actual power. That will give you permanent success. Because of that, you will be victorious in your life. Same thing, come back. When you are thinking and preparing yourself, the external forces, they will create challenge. At that time, you need to remember, thoughts, they need to be powerful and they need to prepare your mind. Mind need to be super powerful. Once these two energies, they work for you, then whether your time is good or bad, you will not stop. And that's what you need to become in your life. You need to grow when your time is good. Move faster. You should not stop when your time is bad. Remember, nothing is permanent here. If your bad time is troubling you, remember this bad time will get over. You need to be strong, and the strength will come with your thought. When you are preparing yourself on your bed, each thought is important. What you're thinking about your family, what you're thinking about your loved ones, what you're thinking about your journey, your training, your practice, what you're thinking about your health, what you're thinking about your work, what you're thinking about your money, your emotions, your love, everything need to be prepared by you on bed. This is the beginning. With this, you start your journey. With this, you prepare your life. With this, you make your life successful. And key point remains the same. Right now, when you are listening, how you are thinking, how you are preparing yourself now for the next. This is the most important moment for us. Sit down, prepare yourself, and then move. Without preparation, don't even move for an inch. Sit down, think, prepare, and then move. This is for the day. With more questions and your practices, we'll meet soon. Take good care of yourself. Namo Himalaya.